My name is Felicia and I'm studying a Master of Clinical Psychology. I really wanted to study psychology because I felt drawn to helping people. I really wanted to help people, and listening to others' stories and being able to have positive impact and make meaningful change. So I love working with children and adolescents. I think that they have so much to say, and sometimes they just need someone to listen, and being able to have that safe space to feel what they're feeling and then share what they're feeling, and for us to process what they're feeling, because in that psychology space we get to slow it down. So at the moment I'm working across 2 different organizations, and that's equivalent to full-time work, and in that space I get to work with children, adolescents, adults, and even older adults. I'm very lucky to have an opportunity where I can work with everyone. It's great to enhance my own skills as well, and to make meaningful change across the lifespan. And I think studying this Master of Psychology, it was an opportunity for me to really understand who I am as a psychologist and be a psychologist that's works for me, and not necessarily for fitting a mold or anything like that of what you might think a psychologist is, but having that warmth, empathy, and bringing that active listening, for example, to the session, to my clients. So my pathway to where I am now is a very long one. I nearly failed year 12, and it took me to do a bridging course for 6 months to get the right ATAR. Then from there I did a Bachelor of Psychology, and then I went on to a Master of Professional Psychology, and then after that I went into the workforce because I wanted some experience, and then I came back to study, and I've just completed the Master of Clinical Psychology. I would say that I've had the pleasure of not just studying, but also being in a space where I can work, I can earn money as well. Overall, a very downright rewarding experience. During my studies here at Federation, I completed 3 placements within the 1 master's degree, and I had learned a lot. So the first placement that I did was at a primary school, and it was really cool to see what working with children in a school setting would look like. And then I also had the opportunity to work at the Federation University Clinic. In that space, there's assessments and intervention, and you get a taste of everything. So there were also community placements, and in that space I was able to work with the hospital here, as well as the Western Bulldogs Association. And then the final placement that you have is an external one, and I chose to go to Geelong. I love it there, it's great. Studying at Federation is a wonderful experience. You're very well supported in the sense that you've got your peers, you've got the lecturers, your supervisors, and the campus life is amazing. It's wonderful. You'll meet so many different people. If I was to give advice to a year 12 student who wanted to study psychology, I would say that at the end of the tunnel, all of that hard work you put into it, it's very 100% worth it.